Hi, I'm Mike Gubby, and this is illegal. This is a choke hazard. Now there's going to be small grandchildren coming into this apartment quite soon, and we're going to fix this situation, and we're actually going to retrofit 3 battery motors to these 3 blinds behind me, as I've done for the rest of the house, and we're actually going to eliminate all the chains. The Australian government law requires that any chain that forms a loop like this one that is less than 1.6 meters off the ground must be fitted with a child safe device. So the people who did this job and left these chains like this should really hang their head in shame, and there's a much better way to do it. If we had our time over and we could specify this job from the start, I would have looked at our link layout roller blind charts, and we'll put a link to that. Pardon the pun, but we'll put a link to that right here. And I want to tell you how we could have done this right from the first place and not had this dangerous scenario with this roller blind chain. Now this particular door here is a 3-panel sliding door. We've got panel 1, panel 2, and panel 3. And this door opens from the left-hand side, and the 3 panels end up stacking here. So it's a gorgeous door, you know, that leads out to the nice deck. Okay. Now, with a link layout blind, we can keep our chain or our motor here on this side because you can see that's got the child safe device. So what we would have done was operated this blind separately. So if we want to get out our exit door, we can do that without altering those 2 blinds there. Okay. Now, our link layout chart allows for this blind here to be a drive blind and this blind here to be a slave blind. So what would have happened is that we'd keep our chain or our motor on the right hand side, and then these 2 blinds would operate together and they'd go up and down together. In this instance now, to save this situation, we're going to retrofit 3 motors. So let's get on with that and I'll show you how it all turns out. So this was a really easy job to do. We're able to get rid of these chain drives. We're able to fix that hazardous chain loop that comes down there. You can see there's no chain there anymore. What I did was retrofitted 3 roller blind motors in 1, 2, 3. I've now got separate control over my exit door, and I've got these 2 blinds behind me linked together so they go up and down. So thanks very much for watching. If you like this information, please share, subscribe, and like, and leave any comments you like, and I'll happily come back and answer them personally. Thank you.